everybody to our Dance at Home online series. We are very happy to see you all online, and today in our video we're going to continue our topic that we started in our previous episode.
So we'll continue to develop in the skill practicing together without having a physical connection. In this video, this is going to be a tango. We're going to take our basic and a quartet part, and we're going to show you how to practice it, that part together without holding each other's hands. We're going to start with our basic. Gentlemen, prepare your left foot, and we're going to take the first step forward with the left foot. And we go forward, 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 side, close. Next part, quartet. Gentlemen, you're taking a step back, back, forward, forward, side, close.
For the ladies, we go back, 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 side, together, forward, back, back, side, together.
Like in our previous video, we're going to clarify for my gentlemen directions and the timing.
For my ladies, like we did before in Waltz, in our tango, the key thing for me as a follower is going to be to follow the directions of my gentleman or of my leader, and also to stay with the same timing with him. That is going to help us to look together without touching each other.
First of all, we're going to clarify our directions in these two elements. For my gentleman, you're going to take your first step with your left foot straight forward. Forward, 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 side, close. Next part is a quartet. I'm taking my step back with my left foot. Back, forward, forward, side, close. Next part, we're going to clarify our timing. Left foot forward, and we go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow.
Excellent. For my ladies, I'm going to count right now, so my gentleman is going to think about his directions and his timing. I'm going to announce my steps with my directions first, then we're going to try to do it with me counting. And we go back, 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 side, together, forward, back, back, side, together. And we go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow.
Tango is very different from the waltz. In waltz, we do have our rise and fall action. In tango, we're going to stay exactly on the same level entire time. So we're going to challenge you a little bit more on top of clarifying direction and following with the same speed, moving with the same speed together. So for my gentlemen and for my ladies, I'm going to ask you to keep your knees flexed entire time. It doesn't matter you taking your steps forward, either backwards or to the side. So let's practice that together, and this time your whole attention is going to be to keep your knees flexed. Feet together, bend your knee, keep them flexed, open your frame, and we're going to start with the left foot. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow.
For my ladies, I developed the same technique, so I keep my knees slightly flexed. We call them soft. For the whole time when I'm dancing my steps in tango. But my ladies, I'm going to challenge you even more. When we will do our quartet, you are going to also turn your head slightly to your left and then put it back, like I'm going to demonstrate you right now, so we can start developing the character of the tango. And slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. For my ladies, let me demonstrate you the corte one more time so you can see me better and you can try to do it at home. Don't exaggerate it too much. Just try to add some spices to your tango. Okay? So in our corte, this is my position, and when I make my step forward, I'm going to turn my head to my left. Make sure that it doesn't affect your face. And we go. Slow. Slow. On my step backward, I'm going to put it back into my position and finish my basic as normal.
Thank you for watching. We hope that you're all safe, and we hope to see you back on the dance floor soon.